Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. I am sitting in my Vertigear PL4500, the racing series gaming chair, enjoying my time here and yes, editing the videos. The video that I'm editing now is about the UR85HD Cinewhoop with a 1080p HD camera and a DVR. Well, you know, once there's a trend, everybody follows that. That's what happens here in China. So there are lots of FPV whoops, and more specifically HD FPV whoops, Cinewhoops are coming out day by day from Chinese manufacturers, and UR85HD is not just the one that I'm going to review. There are many more coming for my review, but in particular in this video we are going to take a look at the UR85HD. We'll talk about its features. Basically, I'll just show you its features, then I will show you how it flew. Yes, I have flown it, I have enjoyed it. And after watching the flight videos, the DVR 1080p HD 60 frames per second videos. So the thing I like about this UR85HD is that it came in a little carrying case like that, which is really nice and neat, and keeps the things like accessories here in the box top there in a pocket, and the quadcopter, I mean the Cinewhoop, neatly in here. The quadcopter came with 1 300 milliamp battery. So basically I flew the quadcopter with 3S battery only. And what I did with the quadcopter, I will show it to you later. But before we go ahead, you all know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that little bell icon and turn on the notification so that you stay updated for all the upcoming updates. Alright, let's check out the specs of this little quadcopter, I mean the Cinewhoop, and enjoy the flight video. Alright, welcome back. Now that you have watched how the quadcopter flew, first off, let me talk about a jello problem in these Cinewhoops. Most of these Cinewhoops coming out, I mean HD whoops coming out from China, the manufacturers, they are promising that there will be no jello at all. You know what the jello is? Jello means the kind of waves coming in the video footage because of the vibration that is transmitting to the camera. So the manufacturers are promising that there's going to be no jello. However, in my first flights, I didn't notice jello. There was slight jello, but after that I found that at certain RPM on the motors there is a jello in UR85HD video footage. Slight jello. You might not notice it, you might notice it, but there's slight jello. I've flown it on day when there was no wind, and I've flown it on a day when there were lots of winds, but this thing actually flew real nice. However, in the winds you can feel, you know, slightly shaking in the video because the quadcopter was fighting with those winds. Those are the winds that you don't want to fly your DJI quadcopters even, but I flew this quadcopter. Another thing is that at the bottom of the quadcopter they had kind of you know, a frame made for the, you know, battery, and that was proprietary, that you can only fit this battery and nothing else will fit because it was there was a frame for this battery. So I cut it off, okay, and I made it flat. I added a double-sided tape here which just sticks nicely, and now I can add all kind of batteries, flat batteries, bricky batteries, all kind of 3S batteries up to 450 milliamp. Yes, by the way, with 450 milliamp battery this flew really nice and gave me a little bit more flight time as well. One more thing, that you see a long antenna on top here. It doesn't come with the long antenna. It came with a very small antenna which was mounted on the video transmitter, and it actually broke on my very first crash, leaving me with a very crappy video transmission range. So luckily I found one antenna sitting down here from my Emax Hawk 5 quadcopter, and I added this antenna to this quadcopter, I mean to this little Cinewhoop, and now I'm getting very good video range, video transmission range. Even when I go behind the obstacles, I do have live video alive. Before we finally conclude, one more point that you might want to consider when buying these kind of HD FPV is how easy it is to insert and take the TF card out. Well, on UR85HD, the inserting of a TF card is right from this corner, and it is very, very easy to insert and take the card out compared to other HD whoops which are tiny, 78mm. This one is pretty easy to insert and take the card out. And to stop recording the video, there's a small button that you must press before flight, otherwise it will not record video. However, will it save a video if you crashed and the battery disconnected, or you forgot to stop recording the video and disconnect the battery? Will the video be saved or lost, get corrupted? That's the biggest question. Well, it does have that video saving protection. So if you accidentally remove the battery before saving the video or stopping the video using the button, or you crash the quadcopter, or you drain the battery like I do all the way to 2 point something volts per cell, when the battery completely goes, you know, juiceless, and everything turns off in the quadcopter, your video file will still save. You will not lose your beloved valuable footage. That's one of the best things in UR-UAV HD. So all in all, final conclusion, UR-UAV 85HD is a good FPV whoop or HD FPV whoop for flying around, having fun, doing your obstacle course, doing some little FPV racing, and sharing your HD FPV whooping videos with the world. Enjoy, and the next video is of course SPC Maker Mini Whale HD 78mm tiny Cinewhoop with of course HD DVR. Stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to watch this video because this little bad boy did give me some jello-free HD videos. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right